Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best air fryers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews, okay? So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer. This budget-friendly option offers an impressive 10-liter capacity, making it ideal for large families or meal preppers. Its versatility shines with 17 preset cooking options, allowing you to air fry, bake, dehydrate, and even rotisserie with ease. The large Easy View window and built-in interior light are great for monitoring your food without disturbing the cooking process. In terms of design, the Chefman air fryer features a sleek black stainless steel exterior, giving it a modern look that fits well in most kitchens. Its capacitive touch control screen is intuitive and user-friendly, making setup a breeze, even for beginners. The included accessories like airflow racks, a rotisserie spit, and a drip tray make this a well-rounded package. However, this air fryer isn't perfect. While its large capacity is great, its larger footprint might require some rearranging on your countertop. Additionally, its 4.3-star rating reflects some minor concerns about durability and noise levels during operation. But at $82.99, it's an excellent choice for those seeking versatility on a budget. At number 4, we have the Ninja Air Fryer Pro. This compact yet spacious air fryer features a 5-quart capacity, making it perfect for families who love crispy, fried-style meals with less guilt. Its standout feature is Ninja's Air Crisp technology, which uses superheated air to deliver perfectly crispy results without the need for excessive oil. It's especially great for cooking frozen foods quickly and evenly. The design is sleek and space-saving, with a high-quality non-stick basket and crisper plate that are easy to clean. The 4-in-1 functionality allows you to air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate, making it versatile enough for everyday cooking. It also includes a 20-recipe booklet to spark inspiration for your meals. On the downside, while the Ninja Air Fryer Pro is well built, its maximum temperature of 400 degrees Fahrenheit might not be sufficient for some advanced recipes that require higher heat. Additionally, its 5-quart capacity may not suit larger households, but for $89.99, it's a solid choice for those who prioritize convenience and crisp results. Now, at number 3, we have the Ninja Air Fryer AF101. This compact air fryer is perfect for smaller households or those with limited counter space. With a 4-quart ceramic-coated non-stick basket, it can handle up to 2 pounds of French fries, making it ideal for quick and healthy meals. Its 4-in-1 functionality includes air frying, roasting, reheating, and dehydrating, offering a lot of versatility for its size. The design is modern and durable, with a straightforward touch control interface. It's also easy to clean, with dishwasher-safe parts like the basket and crisper plate. The wide temperature range of 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit allows you to gently dehydrate foods or quickly cook and crisp meals, making it perfect for anything from kale chips to juicy chicken wings. While it's highly rated with a 4.7-star average, its compact size may limit its use for larger families or bulk cooking. Additionally, it lacks some features found in more premium models, like dual-zone cooking. But at $89.99, it's a fantastic choice for those seeking a reliable, space-saving air fryer. At number 2 is the Cosori Air Fryer, a powerhouse of innovation and performance. With its unique Turbo Blaze technology, this air fryer delivers ultra-fast, even cooking at temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Its 6-quart capacity is perfect for family-sized meals, and its advanced 5-fan speed system ensures consistent results, whether you're air frying, roasting, or dehydrating. The design is both stylish and functional. With a matte gray finish and a compact footprint that saves space, the LED touchscreen interface is responsive and easy to navigate, and the customizable preheat function adds flexibility to your cooking process. Plus, it operates at less than 53 dB, making it one of the quieter air fryers on the market. While it's slightly more expensive than similar models at $89.99, its professional-grade performance and thoughtful design make it worth the investment. The only minor drawback is that its advanced features might take some time to learn for beginners. But overall, it's an excellent choice for anyone looking to elevate their cooking game. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.